Living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or just tired of bulky drying racks? Meet the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. Designed for ultimate convenience, the setup is completely hassle-free. Just snap the durable cloth cover into the base, pull out the hidden hook, and hang it on any standard rod. Simply unzip the cover and you can easily hang up to 9 garments inside at once. It's perfect for drying your daily essentials, delicates, or travel outfits. Take complete control with the intuitive touch panel. You can adjust the fan speed, set the timer anywhere from 1 to 8 hours, and even turn on the built-in UV light to deeply cleanse and sanitize your clothes while they dry. It operates quietly and efficiently, circulating hot air for fast, even drying. And the best part, when you're done, the entire bag folds right back into the compact base so you can store it in a drawer or pack it in your suitcase. Experience fast, portable drying wherever you go. Get your MOJOCO Portable Dryer today at ZimbaBox.com.